What up, guys? DRX got listed today on Gate.io at the rate of 0.0001, and it is currently trading. By the time of this video, it's trading at 0.0005 US dollars. All right. So if you have some eyes in your wallet, some eyes token in your wallet, and you want to also get some of this DRX token, there is a 5% that is being allocated for those that are holding eyes in their wallet, and I'll be showing you how to do that right here, just by bridging from the Binance blockchain to the multiverse, and you'll be able to participate in this event and be able to get some extra DRX. That's if you want to get some of this DRX token. It's not compulsory you do this, but if you really want to be part of those who are going to receive some of the DRX token for holding eyes, this video is for you. So you have to pay attention to everything I'll be showing you here, because I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to do it right here, right now. All right, so in order for you to make the bridge happen on this multiverse with different blockchains, you need to have your Metamask wallet. This is the recommended wallet. So if you are new to Metamask and you have no idea how to set it up and all that, I already made a previous video on how to do that, a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Metamask wallet from beginning to the end for beginners. So I will leave the link to that video in the description, or it's going to pop up on the top right corner of this video. Now, the second thing you will need to do is to have some ICE network coins in your wallet. And to have these coins in your wallet, you can simply go to one of these exchanges and buy. And once you buy, you just send it over into your wallet and you are good to go. And remember, you are using MetaMask wallet. It also requires some gas fee. So since ICE network is on the BNB blockchain, you have to also send some BNB to this wallet. All right, it's going to represent as the gas fee. All right, for the newbies that don't know how to get their cryptocurrency onto the MetaMask wallet, I already made previous videos on how to buy some cryptocurrencies from some exchanges. I'm going to leave those videos in the description of this video. Go down there, you can click it and you're going to check them out by yourself. All right, so you can see over here, I've already bought some eyes from the exchange, and I sent it over here quickly for me to be able to participate in this event. And remember, you have to make sure your network over here is on BNB. Over here, if you click there, you can select other networks, but make sure yours is on BNB. All right, it has to be on the BNB blockchain. All right, so the next thing you do after getting your funds into your wallet, all you need to do next is to click on the browser section over here. So once you get over to the browser section of this MetaMask wallet, all you need to do is to click over here and type in the box there, bridge.multiversx.com. Then once you finish typing that, you just load it, and you are going to get to this page, exactly what you can see on my screen right here. This is what your page is going to look like. Or if you like, you can just head over to my Telegram channel. I also posted the link there. You can go ahead, copy it, so that you are sure that you are going to the main website, not a phishing site. All right, so you have to be safe out there. So you can go to my Telegram channel and copy the link to this website, and you go ahead, paste it in the box there, and you load it. You are still going to come to exactly this page. All right, so that you are on the safe side. That's why I'm telling you to do that. All right, so once you are here, the next thing you should do is to scroll down, and you can see over here it shows Ethereum. We're on Ethereum network right here, so we'll just switch it to BNB blockchain, Binance. Switch it this way. All right, very good. Now we'll have to connect this same MetaMask wallet. Now, the reason why I was saying we should copy the link right here, so that the connecting of MetaMask wallet won't be very difficult. It's going to be very easy. When you put in the link you want to connect with your MetaMask wallet, you put it in the browser section. It's always easier for you to connect. All right, so let's do that quickly. I'm going to click on connect MetaMask. Like I said, MetaMask is the recommended wallet for this. All right. Okay, so we are connected automatically. You can see how easy it is when you use the link in your browser section. The next one says you should connect your multiverse wallet. That's your exporter wallet. Now, this is what you have to do. You click on connect wallet. I believe you must have downloaded your exporter wallet. All right, so you will see all these options, but select the last one that says add a manual address advanced. Then you click on it. All right, so this option comes out. It's going to show you A, B, C, D. All right, so just select the last one that says add address I own and control. All right, just click on it. All right, now what you're going to do here now is to go to your exporter wallet. Copy your main wallet address, and you bring it and paste it right here. I'm going to do that right here, right now, for you guys to see. So once you get into your exporter wallet this way, just click on your profile here, then you select this one. This is your main wallet address. Just copy it. Just copy this one. All right, to to make sure you're on the safe side, copy this particular one, then you go over back to your MetaMask wallet and paste it in that box provided for you. All right, so once you get back here, just paste the wallet address in this box given to you right here. This is where you paste the wallet address. I'm going to paste mine. All right, then you click on use this destination address, click on it. Okay, very good. Now you can see we have our wallet address already connected there, right here. Now, so the third one is where we're going to be confirming the transaction. So you have to select this because it is, remember, it is ICE that we are using. So select ICE network. Then okay, now you can see my balance. The amount I have on my balance has already appeared here. So I'm just going to click on max because I want to use everything. All right, I'm going to click on max. So I'm going to be sending it from the Binance blockchain. I'm going to be bridging over to the Multiverse. All right, so this is what I'm going to receive right here. So all I have to do now is to confirm this by clicking on proceed. All right, so you just have to be patient for these things to work. All right, you have to sign this by yourself. This is normal. Approve this. All right, that was completed. The transaction was successful. Now you can see over here the first one is completed. Now the second one is awaiting confirmation, so we'll just wait for this to show us sign of confirmation. Then we'll go over to our Multiverse wallet and check it out if we've gotten our ICE token right there. All right, so while waiting the confirmation, we can quickly check our wallet to see if the ICE has already left. All right, so you can see it is gone. We do not have any ICE over here right now, so we can go ahead and check our Multiverse wallet to see if we've gotten the ICE network token right there. So over here in your Multiverse wallet, you just have to scroll down completely, click on manage coins. All right, click on manage coins. Then over here you can activate your ICE network. So you just click on type ICE over here. It's going to bring it out for you. Let's wait for this to load. All right, so you can see it here. Then you're going to activate. You have to toggle on this button here. All right, so it is open. You can see. Then let's close from here and go back to the main dashboard of our wallet. All right, from here we should be able to add ICE. We should be able to see ICE over. All right, so you can see it is over here. ICE network as reflected here. You can see it here. From the recent post that ICE network team posted on their X account, they said starting on December 18, if you stake your ICE tokens, you will earn a share of the DRX token from the dedicated pool exclusive for ICE holders. All right, so I think there's going to be a staking that is going to be available from the 18th of December. All right, so I'm still going to show you guys that how to stake it. If once it's available, I'll show you guys how to stake it, and that's why you should be in my Telegram channel. The link's in the description. That's where I'm going to be posting it very fast. So if you want to be among the first and early people to stake your ICE in order for you to start earning some DRX, you should hop into that Telegram channel right now, right there. So guys, that's all for this video. I just showed you guys how you can transfer your ICE network token from the BNB blockchain to the Multiverse application right here. All right, so if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video.